So some money saving shopping tips. Go for the store brands. Each and every time the store brands will be cheaper and the quality is just as good as the name brands. All right. You want to try to buy fresh produce whenever possible. But as I said before, if fresh produce ends up in your garbage, then that's really not a money saving item, is it? So go ahead and add some canned items to your shopping cart, add some frozen items to your shopping cart. That can be a much better option. So think about your needs and shop accordingly. Then you want to plan your meals by writing down your list and again, sticking to it. Adding some canned lentils, some beans of your choice is a great way to add protein to any meal as well as fiber. You want to go ahead and utilize those price matching apps. And if you're not sure, ask if they will honor a price from a competitor that is less expensive. If you never ask the question, the answer will always be no. And then you want to find the balance between convenience and saving. Can you buy the cut up vegetables? Yes, absolutely. However, how much more money will you save if you buy that same vegetable whole, take it home and cut it up yourself? There is no right or wrong answer. The only correct answer is what works best for you, which one is going to save you money in the end.